Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liz. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true, from old friends and new. May good luck go
Masuk ujung turi kare.
and happiness too.
Ofte turi kilometer jore ne.
On the same side, you have the temperature control, so you can set it to your correct weight, and that's quite easy to use. On the left-hand side,
Ne bang uja pila kare ne pernah halai.
at the moment, I can have full tilt. Very
Oh uja pila
comfortable.
du ne.
And if I pull the lever up, it can lock the chair
Ni
in
ba ne
place.
pila ne uja remote ne.
Also, just to the right, on the left-hand side, you have the forward tilt. So if I come forward, the chair is now pushing me toward my workstation.
Ay, itu mungkin.
It also makes sure that my pelvis is rotated forward and gives me a natural S shape in my spine. Also, on the chair, you have a fantastic lumbar support. So
Ayaw
I
matan.
can turn that and in the small of my back, and it pushes me up, and it will give me good posture. You've also got fully extendable arms. You can adjust them in and out. And up and down.
Mungkin.
If you look at the chair, the executive has a lovely polished base, tuxedo fabric, and is good looking from both the back and the front.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ni terpasang tayong na ba? Halo be, sada? Halo Ponti. Ponti mana ga kareta sada?
Happy birthday to you.
Ah, niya bridge, ya.
To you.
Niya bridge.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Niya contoh mana ini buat na ba?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ini bawa bau, jadi bawa temai toh.